Welcome to the conference hall of Gotion High-Tech Shanghai headquarters. As a leader in the new energy industry, Gotion demands exceptional performance from every display solution. This large curved screen supports meetings, product launches, and global video conferences where reliability is essential. That's why the Q Pro Max series was selected. Featuring high refresh performance, excellent grayscale reproduction, and the RGB common drive integrated technology, it delivers smooth, uniform, and detailed visuals. Its 320-240mm large module design also helps create a flatter screen surface with fewer visible seams. From installation to final commissioning, the project was delivered smoothly and efficiently. The completed project was well received by the client. QIangliLED Q Pro Max series, built for spaces where every presentation matters.